how does it work if you want to add a photo to your favorites? Let's get started. There are actually more ways it works, so let me show you how you can use it. If you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss anything important. So you would naturally go to your Photos app like this, and you can just open up the picture, and below we have a few buttons. One of them is literally the heart icon. So you're going to tap it and, you hearted the image, which means that it also shows up in your favorites folder. This can be accessed by going to the, not being inside of the library, but going to collections. And there, part of the utilities, I can see my favorites folder. And as you can see, all of the pictures are going to be here. However, it also works in the way that you go to the favorites folder right away, and you can just start managing the pictures in here, right? So you can, for example, delete the favorites and whatnot. So that is how you can just make sure that you stay on the top of the game with this, right? So that's something that I just wanted to show you. Obviously, you also have the ability to just select multiple pictures by selecting them like this, clicking on the three dots, and you have the option to save it or add it to the album, and you can choose many of the albums. I believe the favorites should also show up as well, and that's how you can technically do this. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if there is actually like a favorite button above actually, so you can just save more pictures there. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. Let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon.